Good morning.
Good morning.
I'd like to begin with some brief information about your background. Could you tell us where you went to law school?
I went to Case Western Reserve University School of Law here in Cleveland.
And what do you do? What kind of law do you practice?
Generally, it's a civil practice with some emphasis on property tax reductions and landlord-tenant law.
Are you a solo or a member of a firm?
I am a sole member of my own firm, so in that sense, I am a solo practitioner.
And how long have you been practicing in Cleveland?
Approximately 43 years. That would include my year and a half in Akron as a staff attorney for the 9th Judicial District.
And have you been an attorney just as long?
Yes.
How long have you been a member of the law library?
Since approximately 2005, although I think the firms that I worked for before then were also members.
How often would you say you visit the Cleveland Law Library?
Recently, in the recent 10 years, maybe 5 to 6 times a year. It doesn't sound like a lot, but it really works well.
Would you say that a lot has changed at the Cleveland Law Library over the years?
Yes, there have been the additions of basically off-site research, LexisNexis research, the computers, things like that.
What do you remember about our staff, past or present?
They've always been most courteous and helpful with their time and their patience with me.
Do you have any special memories of your time here?
Well, actually, when I reviewed this, I had thought mostly of the depositions that I took in the conference rooms, which is one of the reasons why I was an AMA member, so I could use those. But also, all the times I needed help with computer searches when the staff would help me because I am basically a babe in the woods when it comes to connectors and search words and the like.
Would you say a lot has changed in legal practice since you started your career?
I think administratively, yes, we now do a lot more off-site electronic filing. Mine inevitably bounce back 2 or 3 times before they're acceptable. We also see that you're having a lot more telephone conferences, things like that, but the basic practice of law remains the same, although some would say, and it may seem a little more adversarial than it used to be.
Can you tell us how you conduct legal research? What tools do you use?
Well, I usually start with a quick search on my computer. If I find a lot of reference material, I like to come here and go through the written printed materials. Among other reasons, research has shown that I think I would support this both by my own experience and general processes, that reading the materials out of a book creates better retention and understanding than viewing it on a screen. So I like to come here and go through the books.
What programs have you attended at the Cleveland Law Library?
The only ones I actually remember are CLEs. I may have attended 1 or 2 of the Lexis training programs very early on, but mostly the CLEs.
Is there anything else that we didn't talk about you'd like to mention?
No, I'd just like to repeat that I've always been very happy with the generosity in time and skills of the staff. And that does sound like an advertisement, but it's not, it's the truth.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.